Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have this outdoor heated pet bed. And so Penny, she's looking at me. I said her name. She's, it's warm right now here in Texas, but as it gets cooler in the next month or two, we are gonna be able to take advantage of this. I can put this like out on the porch and let my little puppy go hang out there and not freeze her little butt off. So let's just check this out here. It is, so it's got a nice long cord, and look at that. They put this like the metal mesh around it, so that'll totally keep her from wanting to chew at it, because she has been chewing things. And this is the size of it. You can see it's not a huge pet bed, but I also don't have a huge dog either. So let me see, I'm gonna put this down here, and I'm just gonna see, and it's, oh, it feels really waterproof and good, and it's got this cover on it, so you can go, and once, if it gets dirty or something like that, you can go and clean it. And then here's the heating element inside of that. So really cool. I'm gonna show you here the size of it. Penny, come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, look at that. Good girl, come on. We'll see if I can show you her on it. Penny, you gonna try it? See, so there's my little girl, and there's the mat. She's not ready for it yet, but I'm sure once it's cold outside and hot on the mat, she'll be jumping all over that thing. So perfect size for her. She's little. So awesome. So I'm gonna say this is really good. She's smelling it. She's gonna get used to it. So totally cool. Thumbs up.